What's up everybody, Alec here at Dherbs. Today I'm gonna be dropping my wallet and the first person who brings it back to me is gonna get $100. Let's get to it. Oh, thank you so much. Actually, sir, I want to do something for you real quick. So I work with Dherbs and we're out here giving money to people who are doing kind gestures. And so I dropped my wallet to see if you would be willing to, point it out to me. And so for that, I want to give you $100.
No. Thank
Are you sure?
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Have a nice rest of your day, sir. Oh my God, thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. I just want to let you guys know I'm actually part of Dherbs and I'm doing a show where I'm dropping my wallet and seeing people be kind enough to point it out to me. And I just want to say thank you so much. And for that, as long as you're all right with it, I'd like to give you $100.
Give it to him, man.
You want $100, man?
I would like to know something. If you guys do this, how many people do you know that actually give you the wallet back and how many people don't?
I think more people probably want to give it back to me, I'd say.
Yeah, so humanity is still humanity. They still have passion in their heart to help people.
Absolutely. I think absolutely people still have the heart to help people.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Thank you guys so much again. I really appreciate y'all. And, I hope that the $100 helps you out. And, in the future, just keep being good people and keep doing great things. We really appreciate you.
Hey, no problem, man. No problem.
Appreciate you both. Thank you guys. Thank you.
You want a drink?
Oh, I'm all right. Thank you, though. I appreciate that.
Really?
Yeah.
You're good, 100%?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be.
No, I'm good. Thank you, though. Thank you.
Thank you, Dear.